welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. So today I am here to announce something really special. YouTube has opened up memberships for me. I know. I was just as shocked as you are that someone that has 1,053 subs is being offered memberships. And if it is something that you would be interested in, the join button is going to be available right down here. And so here's the deal. I have some certain goals that I would like to meet with the membership being opened up for me. And I wanted to tell you a little bit about it today. Here are some of the things that I would like to do with this. First and foremost, everything that I make on YouTube with my monetization, whether it be the memberships, whether it be the super chats, whether it be AdSense, which is how Google pays, monetized channels, is I want to put everything that I make from my channel back into my channel. And the first main thing I want to get is a new camera. A lot of y'all may or may not know, two things that I use is my cell phone and a very, very cheap webcam. I think I paid $8 or $9 for the webcam that I shoot my live shows with. And it's not good. So I want to get a new camera. And I have my eye on a Canon Rebel. Now, I'm going to insert a picture right here. This is the camera that I have on my dream wall. And I have been skipping and scraping and saving for this camera for a long time. But the truth is a lot of you know, we are in the process of trying to get moved up to North Texas. And so when you're saving for a big move and you're on a fixed income and you've got a kid in college, these things get put to the back burner. So this is first and foremost is this camera. I can do everything I want to do with my channel, and it would put a very good high quality product out for you guys. So that is the first and foremost is a new camera. The second thing is that I want to do is software upgrade. And right now I'm just using very basic software to edit my stuff, but I would love to be able to get some software upgrade going. And so, you know, those are two of the main things that I want to be able to do. And the other thing is I've explained to a lot of y'all that my mom and I are working on a cookbook. So the third thing would be to help offset the cost of getting the cookbook out. And that's going to be coming out sometime next year. So those are the three things that I am going to be using the money that I'm making off YouTube for. So let's talk about the membership. The bronze level is $1.99, the silver level is $2.99, and the gold level is $3.99. I wanted to keep it very low, very reasonable. And because I know money is tight for a lot of people. I have heard that YouTube is talking about in the next couple of months that you can pay up for 3, 6, and a year at a time, I believe. So be sure and watch out for that. I'll let y'all know if that becomes true. I know that'll help me out a lot too. Here are some of the membership perks. I will be doing, for members only, a once a month cooking class, and it'll be something major. I will put it out to the community, say, hey, what would y'all like to see? And it may be a canning class, it may be, I don't know, we will put that out. You will get exclusive recipes that only the members will get. Whether it'll be something that's going to go in the cookbook that only the members will have access to. And then I will do a monthly prize drawing. That it'll be good stuff that only the members will have access to those prize drawings. And each of those tiers will be laid out in the description of the tiers. So that's going to be the membership perks. Now, what I put out for my channel will not change. I will still be doing my weekly live. I will still be putting out my videos. We're going to go up to 3 videos a week. So all that, nothing that I'm doing already will not change. And this is just a way for you guys to support us a little bit more. And if you can't do that, hey, I get it. We are on a fixed income. Like I said, I've got a kid in college. So trust me when I say I understand. But here's the thing. If membership is not something that you guys can do, be sure and like, share my channel, because that adds up. For every like, for every share, for every comment is like 4 cents on AdSense. I found that out recently, so someone shared that with me. So every time you like one of my videos, every time you comment on one of my videos, that's like 4 cents that AdSense pays me. So if you can't do the membership, I get it. Be sure and like and comment on my videos, because that helps me out too. And that lets YouTube know that you're interested in me. So that means so much to me, guys. Thank you so much for all your love and support over the last several months. You will never know how much that has meant to me and my family. And I want to keep growing and putting out quality videos for you. And that's why this means so much, because I want to up my game and keep getting better. And so I'm going to stop rambling and just want to say God bless, and we'll see you on the next video.